Hello everyone, it's Frank here again with one more character from the Spideyverse. Bringing you this time Gwen Stacy, or Spider Gwen, or Ghost Spider, whatever you would like to call her. This is one of the child versions which I think work very well in the cartoon they are in. So let's start with the circle, which is gonna be the head. Then I'm gonna draw a line of action just to indicate the pose. So this curved line is where I think the leg is gonna be. I'll draw a triangular shape for the body and two small circles just to indicate the shoulders. One of our legs is gonna be lifted, so I'm gonna draw one circle to indicate the thigh. And the shin is gonna be a bit longer and a big foot at the end. So the next leg is gonna be in a more definite position, so it's gonna be easy. Thigh, shin, and the foot. So one of her arms is gonna be pointing backwards, the other one is gonna be forwards. Okay, so here's how I'm going to draw the hand. I'm going to draw a square and a few fingers at the end. The fingers don't have to be exact. The thumb is gonna be a bit below the fingers and it's gonna connect to the wrist. Okay, I'm gonna do the same process with the other hand. First I draw a square and the fingers like sausages. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so. It helps us a lot to create new videos and improve our quality. So please hit the like button and subscribe. Since we have the center of her face already defined, I'm gonna mark the lines to indicate the size of the eyes. And I'm gonna make them very central. Like this. And then it's time to work on her hoodie. I'm just going to make some excess volume around her head, like this. Okay. Then there's gonna be some details on her suit. And her spider, which I think looks more like a crab. Some more details here and working on the webbing. So you can see the webbing covers some very specific areas of her body. I'm gonna draw them now, but I don't have to use these markings in the future. Okay, time for the external lines. You can see I'm not covering the webbing, and that's for a very specific reason. Since these parts are gonna be in a very dark color, it doesn't make any sense for me because the webbing is going to disappear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna erase the lines I really don't want, and I'm going kind of leave the webbing here for future reference because I'm gonna cover them with paint. Just being careful not to erase everything. Yeah, I'm gonna leave something here for me to look at. The webbing on most of her body is done in a really light color, so a marker wouldn't help me in any way. And the webbing on her feet are gonna be pinkish. Some more details on the inside of the hood, and it's good to go. Spider-Gwen is ready, and I hope you have liked this tutorial. Send me any suggestions if you like to learn something new. The comment section is always open, so please feel free to participate. Thank you very much for having watched this video up to this point. Hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.